Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy F12 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. Start by opening Play Store. Now click on the search bar, type Samsung voice recorder and download this app from this developer if you don't have it already on your Samsung. After that, open it. Now choose while using the app and allow and tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it by tapping on the same one. If you want to end your recording and save it, click on the square button, name your recording and tap save. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you want to get rid of it though, you can always hold it. Click on Delete at the bottom left corner and choose Move to Recycle Bin. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!